Hello and welcome back. So today I thought to make a video for everybody on how to install a color profile on your Mac OS. This is the profile here. It's sRGB version 4. You can get it from the International Color Consortium, and I'm going to post a link to this page here in the description of the video. If folks find yourselves here, you can scroll down and you want to accept the terms of use on the second one, and it'll go directly to your downloads. Now, in order to install this, what you want to do is you want to go to your Finder, you want to go to Settings, and then you're going to show your hard disk right here. You open it up, you want to go to Library, and then you're going to come down here to Color Sync, open that up, here are your profiles, and you just want to drop it in. As you see, I've already got it installed. And that is literally how easy it is to install a color profile on Mac OS. When you're done, you can hide your hard drive, your hard disk, and that's it. That's all there is to it. I will post a link to this page in the description of the video. I hope that you found the video useful. And thanks for watching, and we'll have another video here real soon. Thank you and have a great day.